One, two, three. Good morning, guys. Chào everybody. Hi, this is all okay now. My name is Shafiq. I'm a human resource and admin at LS Smart Machinery.
Hi, my name is Aaron Lee,
CF and sales in this company. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Arjen Sabisel. My position is maintenance engineer intern. I'm from Taylor's University. My country of origin is Indonesia.
Hi, my name is Yi Chin Chuan and I'm working in this company as an account executive. What makes our company awesome is even though we are different department for different religion or different races, we are really friendly.
The main reason that this company is awesome is because of its chances and opportunities to travel overseas and of course outstations as well. Besides that, the career growth here is also quite healthy, which is very good in prospect.
What makes our company awesome is the teamwork and bonding. So for instance, when I have internal or external service, my colleagues and senior also help me to find the solutions and help to remind me and or give an advice.
This company make me feel very comfortable. Why do I say so? Because I feel like I'm getting rewarded not for what I do. Because this company, as I see, they follow KPIs and OKRs. So once they set the rules on what I need to perform and what goal I need to hit, they will pay me accordingly, which means I feel very fair. I don't feel like I'm doing extra work, I'm doing more work but pay less. I feel it's very fair.
About our company's culture, we can say that it's it's quite competitive. Even though you are different departments, when for instance that maintenance engineer, they are really working hard. I believe that competitive environment will keeps every employee or me to improve to become a professional employees.
Our company's culture is more to, if you want to earn a big reward, you will need to fight for it. So technically what I'm trying to say is we fight hard and we play hard as well.
One of this company culture is fast-paced culture. From this culture, it motivates me to work fast and efficient.
As for our company culture, I feel that it's very fair. Why do I say so? Because our performance is evaluated accordingly. So whenever we perform good, then they pay us accordingly. So if you're able to perform well, then the chance of us getting raised is very high.
Hopefully that you can join our company and be part of our family. Build your career with us to become a professional in your expertise.
I think for me, if you want to join this company, it's especially for intern, it's good for you because for me myself, from my experience, every day I look and find and try new machines. I hands-on with different machines every day, so it's not repetitive. I gain knowledge increasingly fast.
in my opinion, what I want to say to the viewers is study hard and start training ready.
We wish you to have a competitive heart, the heart to keep on improving yourself. By doing so, just by being competitive and have the heart to improve yourself, you will definitely able to remake and excel well in this company.